Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Press the Windows key to open Start and access search quickly. Type Control Panel into the search box and wait 1 second. Press Enter to open the classic Control Panel window on your desktop. Alternatively, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog immediately. Type Control into the Run field and press Enter to launch Control Panel directly. Both methods bring up the same Control Panel applet ready for navigation and settings changes. Right-click an empty area of the desktop to open the context menu. Choose New then Shortcut to begin creating a desktop shortcut. In the Location field, type Control and click Next to continue. Type Control Panel as the shortcut name and click Finish to place it. Right-click the new shortcut to access Pin to start or Properties for icon changes. You now have a persistent desktop icon for Control Panel access anytime. Open Start and search for Control Panel to reveal it in the results list. Right-click that result and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar for one-click access. If you prefer a folder view, use File Explorer and paste Shell Control Panel folder into the address bar. Press Enter to open Control Panel as a special folder for quick access. To see desktop icons, enabling Show Desktop Icons in Settings helps keep your new shortcuts visible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.